Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, let's teach you how to stream on Rednote. Now, streaming on Rednote, otherwise known as live, is actually very simple and very easy. What you're simply going to do is you're going to click on the plus button over here at the bottom, just like you're adding a new video or recording a new video. Over here below, simply navigate to the different options that you have over here. You have templates, camera, and live. So simply select live options over here, and this is our camera over here, as you can see. So in default, it's going to show you the selfie mode, and over here on the top right settings, you could check out, you could switch your camera, you could add some filters if you prefer over here. You got different filters that you could apply to your face. There's also settings that you could check out over here, such as your address, hashtags, viewer settings, comments, and so on and so forth. And after doing all the different modifications that you could do, such as filters, simply click on the red button over here, which would allow you to live or stream on Rednote. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.